Welcome to today's webinar, which is on shareholder protection and cross-option agreements and estate planning. Looking at the key issues and in particular some of the risks and concerns we should have in relation to them. Little bit of introduction for me. My name is Peter McGowan. I'm a solicitor and partner and head of the private client team at Clifton Ingram Solicitors. I've been there for over 20 years and have over 30 years experience in the law. Specialising in inheritance tax and estate planning, capital gains tax planning, will drafting, and contentious inheritance. And also, before I started as a solicitor, I spent some time working for HMRC, so I've seen, as it were, the other side of the fence. So let's go onto the introduction about this particular webinar. This webinar is aimed at private client lawyers who wish to ensure that when advising their business-owning clients on their tax and estate planning strategy, that the implications of the sudden death of a business owner are properly appreciated and catered for. It will also be of relevance to commercial lawyers who are advising their commercial clients on business structuring and protection. We'll be looking at the key principles in relation to shareholder protection and succession issues in small privately owned businesses, in particular measures in businesses to respond to the hazard of the premature death of one of the business owners. This short webinar will cover the following. We look first at the problem, the small, privately owned, successful business without any shareholder protection. Then we look at shareholder protection and cross-option agreements, so the problem and the solution. We'll look again in more detail at life and key man policies and trust structures. We'll be looking at extracting value on the death of a business owner for the benefit of his family, whilst enabling the business to continue in the ownership of the surviving business owners. And finally, we'll be looking at inheritance tax and capital gains tax implications.